Welcome to 10 Canterberry Court. Fabulous move-in ready colonial home. Tranquil cul-de-sac setting. Home surrounded by mature landscaping. A great home for all. Covered front porch. Spacious foyer to greet you family and friends. Gleaming hardwood floors. Crown molding throughout. Cine family room. South-facing open floor plan. Lots of natural light. Beautiful wood-burning tiled fireplace warms up a cold winter night. Ceiling fans and pot lights. Breakfast area with sliding glass doors leading to a spacious deck. Marvelous granite center island and countertop. Modern slate appliances. Lovely glass backsplash and deep stone composite sink. Great open flow, excellent for entertaining. Hallway off the kitchen leads to a guest tap bath and provides access to an unfinished bonus room over the garage. Formal living room. House already ducted for central air. Formal dining room. Spacious and open to kitchen.